terrorist group Avalanche has issued another bomb threat. In response, we have raised the threat level and entered a state of heightened alert. All lines are currently experiencing delays. We anticipate that our arrival in Sector 4 will be later than scheduled.
The target's Mako Reactor 5. From the station, we take the back streets. Once we're inside the facility, it's the same deal as last time.
Head for Mako storage.
And then blow it all to hell. Let's do this one for Jesse and Wedge. They deserve it.
Yeah.
Sure.
I didn't think word would spread this fast. There's barely anyone on this train, and none of them look happy to be here.
Might stand out as a group. You two stay here.
The train will be passing an ID checkpoint shortly.
Here comes the first hurdle.
Not much of one.
I know, but that doesn't mean I don't have butterflies in my stomach. Hey, would you mind keeping an eye on things the next car over? I'm worried there might be trouble.
Why's that?
Barrett's always on edge before missions. But you know he's a good guy underneath it all. The people on this train don't.
He'll be fine.
Maybe. But I won't be until I know for sure.
Be right back.
Thanks.
So, do you still support those terrorists? Avalanche is a blight on Midgar.
Huh?
Their bomb threat has thrown our offices into chaos, let alone the reactor itself. It's total insanity! But we won't lose heart. No! Everyone at Shinra agrees. The reactor will stay online.
Is that right?
What? You got a problem with that?
Do I have a problem with that? Oh, you can bet.
He doesn't.
Asshole.
You know you're better than that.
Dun, 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 dun. Why don't you go check on Tifa? Quit screwing around here.
I have nothing more to say to you and your friend.
Emergency ID scan in progress.
Huh?
What in the...
No way!
Emergency ID scan in progress. Unauthorized IDs detected. Threat level critical. Inspection and containment sweep initiated, commencing at the rear of the train.
Not good!
Get over here! Now!
Take care of them, Cloud!
On it.
Lockdown protocol initiated. Will enter lockdown in 3 minutes.
You have to get to the next car.
Keep moving, people!
What do we do?
Lockdown protocol initiated. This train car will...
What are you doing?
Trying to keep you alive.
But I work for Shinra. I'm the enemy.
I don't care. I don't want anyone to die. Please.
I'll look after the others.
My turn.
There's no end to them.
3 unauthorized passengers successfully became neutralizing threat.
Looks like you're right, soldier boy.
Screw this. The station will be crawling with security. We gotta jump.
Screw that!
Need to slow the train down.
Sounds like a big plan E.
You okay?
Yeah.
All right. You ready?
Ready. That's gotta be him. Hey, thanks for letting me jump in the train.
No biggie. Too light.
You always know what to say.
Well done, well done. I felt sure we had them, didn't you?
Sir!
Born survivors, these surats. Speaking of which, where's the third?
In custody, sir.
Return it to the wild.
Yes, sir. Right away.
on the target! Requesting immediate assistance! Don't overdo it.
Let me handle this.
Taken over. Bam!
Okay, let's go. It's over. There!
Not bad.
He's close. Come on. There! Barrett!
Tifa! Could use some help here!
We're coming!
Make it quick! Should be some stairs over there!
We better hurry.
Yeah.
I've had enough to hear what you damn robo-bugs! I'm gonna rip off those spindly legs! Yours
These
one
must be
by
the
one!
stairs.
I ain't going down without a fight!
That doesn't sound good.
Let's go.
Barrett!
Right, give me a hand!
Please jump from the train! Don't let any of them escape!
Here's yours!
Keep it together.
Need my help, do you? Here's yours! You ain't getting out of this one! Come on! Gonna make your eyeballs
Too late. All set.
Oh, this calls for a song! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da!
That's gotta be the last of them, right?
Oh, who cares? We can take it. Now let's confirm our position and get back on mission. That reactor's waiting. Looks like it's gonna be Plan E.
Go on.
Plan A was if everything went off without a hitch. From the station, it would have been a straight shot to the reactor. Didn't work out, but we knew going in we had to have alternatives. Backup plans, in case we had to get off early. From closer in to further out, B, C, D, and so on.
Up to what?
To E.
Lucky us.
Yeah! You're damn right.
Anyway, we were riding the train between Sector 4 and the main pillar when we had to bail out. And we ended up on the adjacent line, which should take us to Reactor 5.
That's right. So for now, we follow the tracks. Not too far, though. Need to switch to a different route before we hit the station. Because you can bet your ass it's gonna be crawling with security. All on high alert.
Let's move.
Our friends in Sector 5 marked the route, so don't worry about getting lost. It's a straight shot to victory, people. All we gotta do is take it.
You have nothing to worry about, sir. Preparations for the grand finale are proceeding without incident. I have the utmost confidence that everything will play out as you intended. Yes, of course. I will not fail you, sir.
Sir,
Analytics reports that the results fall within the admissible range. However, the casualty rate significantly exceeds previous projections.
Remind me what your job is. Is it to question the wisdom of your superiors and bemoan your personal hardships?
Sir?
Huh. Casualty rate. You think I care about the casualty rate? They're pawns in a greater game. If your stock runs low, then go round up more from Sector 3 or wherever else. Use your head and bring me solutions instead of problems for a change, yes?
Sir.
It is so hard to find good help these days. Which is why the President ought to count his blessings. What would he do without me? Ha 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 ha!
When the time comes, remember, we just gotta follow the nose.
What?
Stamp's nose.
We look for graffiti, then head in whichever direction its nose points. But pay attention to railway signals, too. You see blue lights, you go on the right.
Quick and clean.
Roger.
Going in.
Follow the blue lights and we'll reach the reactor. Biggs is way ahead of us. Jesse was gonna back him up, so it wouldn't surprise me if he needs our help. So let's not keep him waiting.
Take the lead.
About damn time! Don't stop now! Like playing with fire? Fired up! You got this!
Let's go. Give him your all. Gotcha. Fine. To this road. Get in there.
Watch this.
Come on.
So long. That it?
It knows we trust.
Good thing our colleagues put up all that stamp graffiti. Without it, we'd be lost for sure.
We ain't got time for this shit.
Let's just deal with it.
Get your ass out of here.
Would kill for a shower. What's that? Guys, I think it might be a nest.
All kinds of creepy crawlers make themselves at home in the plate, then get messed up even more by the Mako.
Mako did this?
No, not Mako. Shit. What?
That black and white world of yours.
You like it, huh? You know there's room for one more.
I'll think about it.
That's disgusting!
Best do it right. Deal with that.
Need my help, please. You about to catch a cold. Catch you sleeping.
Try to end this! Too late!
No time to celebrate. They're nothing.
Compared to us.
Don't overdo it.
About damn time, asshole! Chill out. I could have done that on my own.
Sure you could.
What is this, a science experiment? What now?
It's huge.
So you must be the queen, huh?
I got your number. After you.
Guess it's my turn. Want some more? How about a nice cold can of whoop ass? Ooh, gotta love it. Feeling a bit chilly? Oh, you in trouble now. You're about to catch a cold. Don't look now, but it's about to get real cold.
Easy deal.
That's that.
You're up.
All right.
No need to do this.
Let's finish this.
Why now? How about a nice cold can of whoop ass? Don't stop now. Firing one off.
out.
The train's gonna get derailed by one of these days.
Shinra should do something.
After an accident, they will.
When it's too late then.
Good old steady. Check this out.
This isn't bad, you know.
Yeah, they really captured the essence of corporate propaganda.
Check it out. I guess Shinra's doing something about those monsters after all.
Doing a half-assed job.
How did we get such a shit detail? Screw it. Let's just give it a quick once-over and call it a day.
How did you get in here?
It's those three terrorists from the train! Too bad. Calling fire.
Go to hell!
You're good at this.
Told you so.
Alright, let's figure out where the hell we are. There's an old rail yard not far from here. What we're looking for is somewhere inside.
And that is...
A secret passageway.
We've compiled our report on Avalanche's combat capabilities and our...
Report, report, report. What good do you think a damn report will do anyone?
I don't...
Have you already forgotten the war with Wu-Tai? An enemy spared is an enemy who will repay your kindness with blood. We must crush them thoroughly and completely, without hesitation or mercy. Shinra cannot and will not settle for anything less. Will you?
But sir...
If so, I can only assume that you and your men no longer wish to serve in your current positions. Is that correct?
We'll prepare the prototype in Section E for immediate deployment. Right now, damn it!
Another day, another victory. How do I do it?
Gotta love the irony of Shinra's smarmy lapdog leading the way to its master's destruction.
Intruders!
Not bad.
I hate the fact that Shinra took a loyal animal like that and co-opted it for their own self-serving agenda.
Poor old Stamp.
Starting to remind me of one of Marlene's picture books. The one that's full of... Hey, hold up. This way.
Keep it together.
You're going to get away this time!
Fired up! Suck on this! Like this!
Shoot fire!
Like playing with fire! Bring in the heat! Always did like a gallop. Fired up! Like playing with fire!
Okay, let's go. Come on. It's on you.
Let's do this.
Don't give up.
Deal with that.
Alright! Watch and learn! See ya!
Steady.
Hit fire! Gonna make your eyeballs pop! That thunder I hear?
Come on.
Suck on this! Gonna make your eyeballs pop! That thunder I hear?
See ya.
No getting through that gate. Let's take the stairs. We should be reaching that secret passageway.
So many guards.
Keep looking for faithful little Stan. He'll lead us to the passageway.
This it? Get back!
That all you got?
Someone's mad.
Take your best shot, asshole!
Looks like an old model.
No incident! Gonna make your eyeballs pop! Ooh, gotta love it!
Barrett is tracking you.
Take the lead.
Alright, watch and learn! Ooh. Stay down, asshole!
ready.
I think